Do you want to speak English confidently? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. Welcome to Simple English Lab, where we make learning English easy, fun, and effective. Today, we will focus on learning some very easy phrases that you can use in everyday conversations. These phrases are simple, but they will help you sound more natural and confident when you speak English. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it does not have to be difficult or scary. The key is to take small steps every day and practice regularly. That is why I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can follow me easily. After I say each sentence, you will have the chance to repeat after me. This way, you practice your pronunciation and improve your speaking skills step by step. Remember, speaking English confidently is not about knowing complicated grammar rules or difficult vocabulary. It's about using simple and useful phrases correctly. When you repeat these phrases daily, you will feel more comfortable and your confidence will grow naturally. So, get ready to practice with me. Listen carefully, repeat clearly, and don't worry about mistakes. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. The important thing is to keep trying and never give up. Let's make English simple and fun together. With daily practice, you will see how quickly you improve. I am here to guide you through every step, helping you become a better English speaker. So, let's begin now and take the first step towards speaking English confidently. Stop being afraid of English. It's time to leave your fear behind and start learning in a simple and friendly way. Many people feel nervous or shy when they try to speak English. That's normal, but you don't have to let it stop you. Here at Simple English Lab, I will help you speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Today, I will teach you some very simple sentences that you can use every day. These are not complicated or difficult. They are easy, useful, and practical. When you learn these sentences, you will feel more prepared to talk to people in English. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice regularly. We will do this together, step by step. After I say a sentence, you can repeat after me. Don't rush. Take your time and say each word clearly. Speaking slowly is better than trying to speak fast and making mistakes. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Mistakes help you learn. Make sure to practice every day, even if it's only for a few minutes. Small steps every day are better than big steps once in a while. When you practice regularly, you will see big improvements over time. Learning English is like building a house. You have to lay one brick at a time. You can do it, don't worry. Believe in yourself. You are capable of learning and speaking English well. I am here to help you and guide you through this journey. Together, we will make English easy, fun, and something you will enjoy. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started today. Learn English the easy way. Forget about big, complicated grammar rules that make you feel stressed or confused. Here at Simple English Lab, we focus on what really matters for you as a beginner. Useful words and simple phrases that you can actually use in real life. Today, we are going to learn easy, everyday English that helps you speak naturally, just like you're talking to a friend. No pressure, no fear, just simple, clear, friendly conversation. When you know these basic phrases, you'll be able to greet people, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and answer confidently. Our goal is not to memorize difficult grammar rules or long lists of vocabulary. Instead, we want to make sure you can speak and be understood. That's what real communication is about. When you speak naturally, people will feel comfortable talking to you, and you will feel more confident too. Here's how it works. I will say a simple phrase slowly and clearly. Then you will repeat after me. Practice saying it out loud. Don't be shy. Speak like you're talking to someone you know. This is how you develop a natural, relaxed style of speaking. Are you ready? Let's start today. Make a promise to yourself that you will take small steps every day. Even 5 minutes of daily practice can make a huge difference over time. The easy way to learn English is to keep it simple, useful, and fun. You don't have to do it alone. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So join me, repeat after me, and let's make English learning easy and enjoyable together. Master English with me. Together, we will make learning English simple, clear, and fun. If you want to speak confidently, you don't need to know everything at once. You just need to practice easy lines every day. That's the secret. Small, consistent practice builds real skill. Today, I want you to repeat these easy lines daily. Say them out loud with me. Don't just listen, speak. When you use your voice, you train your mouth and mind to work together. This helps you remember the words better and say them more naturally. Even if you're shy, practicing aloud is the best way to improve. Don't stress about mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. Mistakes are not failures. They are signs you are learning and trying. If you avoid speaking because you're afraid of errors, you won't improve. So let's change that. Be brave, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. Enjoy your learning journey. Think of English as an adventure. Each new word or phrase is a new tool you can use to connect with people around the world. Don't rush. Don't compare yourself to others. Your progress is your own. Celebrate every small step. Let's grow your confidence together. I am here to guide you and help you every step of the way. With daily practice and a positive attitude, you will see real improvement. You will speak more naturally, more clearly, and with more confidence. So join me now. Repeat after me. Practice daily and let's master English together, one easy line at a time. Your first step to good English. Every journey begins with a single step, and today you're taking that step with me. Welcome to Simple English Lab, where we focus on easy, clear, and useful English that you can use right away. Remember, learning English doesn't have to be hard or stressful. It can be simple, enjoyable, and effective if you approach it the right way. Today, I want you to practice with these simple words and phrases. These are not complicated or advanced. They are practical, everyday words you will actually use when you talk to people. When you know these basic words well, you can build sentences and express yourself confidently. Listen carefully to what I say. Don't rush. Focus on the sounds and rhythm. After you listen, repeat exactly what I say. Say it slowly and clearly. This is how you train your tongue and ears to work together. By repeating after me, you will improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Make it a daily habit. Even 5 minutes of practice every day is better than nothing. When you do something daily, it becomes easier and more natural. English should be part of your life, not just something you study once in a while. Turn it into a routine that you look forward to. Let's speak better together. You don't have to do this alone. I'm here to guide you, encourage you, and help you improve step by step. We will practice together, learn together, and grow together. So join me now. Let's start your journey to good English today with small, simple, but